we didn't know how she was
gonna
we couldn't-
react.
Kasi nga dalawa kami agad na aalis eh. So, hindi talaga namin ma-predict kung paano siya mag-react.
No! Kailan niyo ba yun?
Medyo. I actually messaged mom first. Mom, are you free this day? Then I told her, we just wanted to share some plans for the wedding.
But you know what, when we were packing our stuff, nakita ko from the mirror habang nagpapaka, umiiyak si mama.
Kasi it was getting real.
Yeah.
Punong-puno yung kwarto, tapos kung konti yung gamit.
Yeah.
Sabi ko sa kanila, okay, so hanggang dito na lang ako. Iniisip ko nga,
Yeah.
if I were not a single parent, maybe it would be a different situation. Hindi ko pinaparamdam sa kanila na sila yung the best.
Hindi talaga. Never nangyari yun.
Kung si Luigi ay frenemy number 1 ko, ito ang frenemy number 3.
Minsan din mga parents, bawas-bawasan din natin.
Oo, kaya nga communication.
Oo.
Communication kasi, you also have to listen. Hindi ibig sabihin na ikaw yung magulang, ikaw yung palaging tama at ikaw lang yung kailangan pakinggan.
Lagi kong sinusulatan si Mami, please trust that I know what I'm doing so that I can be able to trust them.
Hindi tayo handa na dyan sa dadaling episode.
O, kung natatawanan niyo ko.
Tsaka si Tita Candy. Parang napatunayan ko sa episode nito, si Moira talaga pinakamatibay sa atin.
Okay, guys.
Ang dami.
I must say, yung shot strawberry syrup is the
The
best.
best, yeah.
It is
Strawberry.
my favorite.
Ako rin.
Sticky strawberry is my
Favorite ko rin.
favorite.
Yeah, I like this one and eto.
Paano mo sinabi?
Ayun.
The plan or the...
Na you have a date?
I actually messaged mom first. Pero it was directed to everyone. I was like, Mom, are you free this day? Then I told her, we just wanted to share some plans for the wedding and then ask for advice or ask for tips or just help lang, like support for our plans. And then I invited them. I was like, baka you guys wanna go. Siguro na-excite lang din ako.
Yeah.
So, syempre, I wanted everyone to be
Ito na,
involved.
ang bilin sa akin ni Kyla, Mama, suggestion lang tayo, Magsasuggest lang tayo.
Alam niyo, ito si Kyla. Kung di niyo alam, ito si Kyla, siya ang fixer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa kanilang magkakapatid,
That's true.
siya ang fixer. Kapag may problema, si Kyla ang mag-fix.
Yeah.
Kapag may issue, si Kyla ang mag-fix.
Magandang trabaho yung fix.
Oo nga.
Bakit hindi pang bayad doon?
Oh, Minsan sa sideline niya pa ni fixer. Pero doon pa sa legal, ha?
Tuwing meron ba kayong news, or may gusto kayo sabihin sa nanay nyo na importante or kasalanan, paano kayo naghahanda?
Pinag-uusapan niyo ba yan na parang dapat may way?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, always.
So, tell your mom.
Kasi we talk every day anyway. So,
Actually, we do talk every day.
Yeah, I think
including you and also, of
Yes.
course.
Yeah.
Kasi may GC kami.
yeah. So parang it's always
Sorry, kasama ako. I'm sure may GC silang wala.
Yeah. Na kami magkakapatid lang.
Meron pa yun. So, may group chat kami with mama, may group chat kami na kaming 4 lang, may group chat din kami na kaming 5.
Yeah.
And may group chat din
May group chat pa kami na
3.
girls lang.
So, marami kaming group chats. Marami.
Sa pamilya pala nila, ano?
Ang dami na.
Group chat nga siya mag-isa lang eh.
Chat pa sila nakasama kami ni Ariel.
Yeah.
Chat pa sila nakasama si Daddy.
Kami ang pamilya mahilig sa group chat.
At may group chat din kami na kaming 4 lang.
Yes.
Dami nga.
Marami.
Hindi ko na nga alam.
So, edi na, sabi na nga, let's say na rin may kasalanan.
Ayun.
Or let's say, meron kayong sasabihin.
Alam nyo, ma-upset ang nanay niyo. Or magugulat. O magugulat.
Nag-uusap muna kami. Ganito usually yung flow ng utak. Ganito. Guys, may kailangan na sabihin sa inyo. Ganito, ganyan. Paano ko sasabihin kay mama? Ito na. Ganito, sabihin mo. Ganyan. Hindi pwede ganun. Dapat ganito. Hindi pwede. Sabihin mo na lang yung totoo. Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede talaga.
So, ganun kami.
Ano ang perfect
Wait. So may discussion.
So, may discussion muna.
Discussion.
Siya may serve.
Timing ba kayo?
Tumatiming.
Tumatiming niya.
Yeah, tumatiming. For example,
What is the best
hindi
time?
mo pwede gawin bukas kasi nakalock in si mama. Hindi mo pa pwede sabihin. Dapat sabihin mo, harap-harapan, ganyan.
Ay.
Yung mga ganon, diba?
Or parang may instances na, parang bad mood si mama.
Bad mood siya, tomorrow na lang. Or, puntahan mo na lang siya. Bring her lunch, and then doon mo siya kausapin.
Yeah.
Iba pa yung tatlo lang sila.
Oo.
Pag sinama na nila yung kuya nila, panibagong discussion na rin ngayon.
So when is the best time to tell her something?
Mom always says this.
Yeah.
If you tell me tomorrow or if you tell me a year from now, my reaction
My reaction will be the same.
Yes.
Ano yun? Usually,
why wait?
what is the reaction?
Depende. Depende.
Depende if it's something important or if it's something bad. If it's
Yeah.
Okay, parang one time, may issue si Ina. Nakalock in ako. So, itong magaling nilang kuya, na tumawag, "Hi, Mama. Where are you?" Sabi ko, nakalock in ako. Busy ka ba mamaya? Bakit? Wala lang. Mag-group call lang kami.
Zoom call.
Group call.
Ano ba?
Messenger yun eh.
Messenger, yeah.
Alam mo, hindi naman ginagawa yun.
So may feeling ka na?
Ha?
May feeling ka na oh no.
Sabi ko, anong problema? Mamaya na lang.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, anong problema?
Yan si Janice, di pwede.
Yeah, hindi pa rin. Yeah.
Alamin niya talaga.
Hindi na sabi
Hindi
niya.
ba tatapos sa conversation hanggat hindi mo sinasabi sa kanya?
Basta mama, mamaya pag nag-react ka, kunyari first time mo lang na nadidig.
Yun!
Oh my gosh, di namin alam. Sinabi niya pala.
Because you know, what
Kuya,
I do,
sinabi
hindi,
pala.
hindi na sinabi. But I offer topics. So may ganun ako.
So you
Anong nangyari? Ganito. Mamaya na. Ganito? Mamaya na. Basta mag-act ka na lang ng first time mo nadinig.
Hindi ko sinabi ha.
May ganun pa.
Hindi ko sinabi ha.
Alam niyo kasi si Janice, kapag may secret to be shared, secret to be known, she will dig deep.
Tsaka ayaw na nabibitin siya.
She has to know.
And
Parang
sometimes she gets
miss
it.
yan. Kailangan malaman agad.
Kapag may surprise ka kay Janice, titingnan niya lahat ng signs.
Yeah.
Para
Oh
malaman.
my gosh.
That's true.
He's so hard to surprise.
Super surprise na.
Super hard to surprise.
Yes, ma.
Ay nako, siguro ganito. Ay, unahan.
Kasi ayokong nabibigla eh.
Talaga? Ate Janice, nandiyan ang first love.
Ayoko nabibigla. Gusto ko parang, ewan ko, basta ready ako. Ayoko ng mga surprise na baka ikahimatay ko. Yung gano'n. So gusto ko, may surprise.
Prepared ka.
Basta at least alam kong may surprise kahit hindi ko alam eksakto. Basta alam ko may surprise.
Nagpaalam na aalas sila sa house.
Oo nga.
Sabi sa akin ni Kyla, Mom, kausap daw nila si dad nila.
Yes.
Sabi niya, malaki na daw sila. They want to try living alone. 1 year pa naman from now.
Okay.
So, pinagpan nila ako ng time. Siguro,
1 year
ini-expect
advance.
nila. No! Kailan
Ano ba yun?
Medyo.
Really?
Actually, we didn't know how she was
gonna
we couldn't
react.
fully tell. Kasi nga dalawa kami agad na alis eh. Eh, nung time na yun, si ate was already out of
Out
the
of the
house.
house.
Tapos,
Yeah.
ang susunod, dalawa kami agad.
Yeah.
So, hindi talaga namin ma-predict kung paano siya mag-react. Like, nag-iisip kami na, we just wanted to be prepared if ever maging violent
Advance
reaction.
kayo sa...
Para at least, alam na niya,
Yes.
matagal na, before,
Yeah.
matagal pa before.
What happened? Paano siya nag-react?
Wala. It was like, okay.
But you know what, when we were packing our stuff, si mama kasi was helping me a lot, yung process of moving out.
Yeah.
Mga kailangan asikasuhin.
Yeah, like,
And
dadalhin ba to o iiwan? Yan naman ang mga tanong
yeah,
ko.
not just the packing, but she was also going with me to the condo
yes, to check the
to see what else we needed pa, to get measurements for kung ano,
To buy things.
to buy things, to suggest also kung ano pa yung baka hindi pa namin naiisip.
Siyempre, things that you might not be thinking of.
Yes.
She
Yeah.
knows what you need.
Yeah.
At saka kami rin, parang we wanted mom to be there din kasi nga hindi rin namin alam eh. Hindi rin namin alam. So parang si mama nga was going with us to back and forth sa condo. Pero nung last day of packing, I think parang gabi tayo nag-move, di ba?
Yeah.
So yung day na yon, yung afternoon na yon, kakagaling lang namin ni mama dun sa condo and then we were packing up stuff. Yung the rest of our things na kailangan ilipat. Nakita ko from the mirror habang nagpapako, umiyak si mama.
Ayun.
Right.
Kasi it was getting real.
Yeah.
Punong-puno yung kwarto, tapos kung konti yung gamit.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi pa nakatulong to mga to. Hindi, so yun. So, it was getting real kasi kumukonti na yung gamit.
Yeah.
But then, I promised myself, and I also want to be for them, na para makita nila na okay ako, hindi sila mag-worry.
Yes. Yes.
Si mama kasi there are times na pag big news talaga, nung una hindi siya okay. Pero in the end, tumutulong pa rin siya.
Yeah.
That's how moms.
Yes, yeah.
We may react, we may say something, but in the end, mananaig yung pagmamahal namin sa inyo.
So, I made sure na yun lang yung time na makikita nilang iiyak ako.
Oo.
Pagdating nila sa condo, kasi syempre, namin, di ba, may truck kaming nila for their, ang daming nilang kahon na. Ninumberan namin, ganyan. So, when the last box went up, nung pinasok sa bahay, sabi ko sa kanila, okay, so hanggang dito na lang ako. You're on your own.
Oh. When you saw your mom crying, what did you feel?
I also cried. Just like right now.
Oo.
Apparently, I was like there,
You were at work.
Pero
So,
nandun sa
like,
condo,
humabol ka na yata.
nag-picture pa kami. Sabi ko, picture tayo.
yeah.
Nag-picture kami. And you know what? Kasi syempre, di ba, bilang nanay, gaganong tatawag kayo sa akin after a few days. Sasabihin ng mama, help. Yung gano'n. Yung may parang may gano'n. But I'm proud of them because talagang pinanindigan nila.
Yeah.
And dapat naman talaga panindigan nila. Although what? Sila ang naunang magtawag sa akin. Sabi nila, hi ma'am! Nag-picture pa silang dalawa. Nandito kami nag-grocery.
Yeah.
Oo.
Siyempre, sure ka din nila na
We're
na kaya nila.
Oo. Sabi siguro nila, let's tell mom that we miss her, but let's not tell her.
Yeah.
Diba? Ganun yun. And you know, I'm proud of all three of them. Kasi kahit na nag-aaway kami dahil sa pagliligpit, sa paglilinis, sa hindi pagpatay ng ilaw,
Yes.
you know, they're okay. They're okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Na yun
diba?
na naman ang gusto natin bilang mga nanay.
Yes.
It's
For
okay
them to
sila.
be okay.
Yeah.
Kahit na ang kukulit natin at madrama ang nanay ninyo, this is all because she wants you guys to be okay.
Yeah.
To be prepared for the time when they are on their own,
Yeah.
when they have lives of their own.
Ano naman ang makukuha mo sa pagdadrama mo? Hindi ba sakit ang ulo lang?
Patagod lang ako.
Di ba? Pero actually, it's really for you guys.
Different strokes for different folks. I mean, sa inyo, nung time na yun, you don't understand.
Yeah.
Nagwawala, ganyan.
We all came from there.
Oo, kami rin
We all went
gano'n.
through that.
Yeah.
Na-realize ko lang, wala pala masyadong effect yung pagdadrama ko sa kanila.
Nakatatak sa kanila.
Naririnig nga nila, nakikita
Subconsciously.
ka. Echo nga yung boses
Kasi
mo.
natatawa sila eh.
Kasi if we don't remember it, hindi siya talaga tumatak sa amin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero yeah, you know what? Just to add din, every time somebody asks, like, ano yung pinaka proud ka? Si mama kasi, she never coddled any of us eh.
Oh,
Even if she pinapagalitan niya kami or dinadramahan niya kami, she never coddled any of us. Kaya talagang yung independence naming tatlo, kay mama rin talaga nang galing.
Yes.
It was really not just her teaching us that, but also observing her as a person.
Yeah. Yes.
Na sobrang tumanda kaming independent and matapang.
Maybe,
With all that,
With all the tools.
Yeah.
iniisip ko nga,
Yeah.
if I were not a single parent, maybe it would be a different situation.
maybe.
But since I'm a single parent, I have to give them the truth of life, truth na mga bagay-bagay. Hindi ko pinaparamdam sa kanila na sila yung the best. I always teach
Yeah.
them to work at being the best.
Yeah.
Natama naman.
Kasi di ba first instinct natin is always to say, oo nga, kawawa ka naman. Diba? Ay, ayokong ganon. Kasi ano sila?
Hindi talaga. Never nangyari yun.
Diba? Yung feeling ko sa kanila, ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo pag nakipag-away kayo sa school?
Ganun talaga.
Hindi. Hindi. Eto,
Ang sinabi ni mama is, pwede kang makipag-away basta hindi ikaw yung no.
Nauna.
Meron pa. Siguraduhin nyo lang na pag ako tinawag ng principal, kayong nanalo, ha?
Yeah.
Pumunta na nga ako ng principal, talo pa kayo. Nakakawa, nakakahiya. Dapat panalo kayo.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Parang
Totoo naman.
binibigyan mo sila ng sandata bago sila pumunta sa gera.
Exactly.
You armored them.
Yes.
Kasi I cannot fight their battles for me.
Yeah.
And on that note, let's taste this next.
Yes, what is this?
Choco banana pudding. So, dalawang side siya, isang banana, then isang chocolate. So, pwede nyo by side, then gitna. Side by side muna, then gitna.
Side by side daw. Actually,
Or pwede rin gitna naman.
Kailangan to is
Hindi, tsaka madadali sa straw, promise.
Kanina pa ako
side by
nagali.
side. So, chocolate first and then the other side
Oh
banana.
my God.
Wow.
May ice? Or may banana pa?
Ay, ice gusto niya.
Parang sarap. Parang ganyan.
It has to be
Wow.
side by side and then in the
You
middle.
have to do the same
Sa
thing.
gitna, girl.
Side, side.
Side by side muna and then middle.
Side, side.
Really?
Side and then
Kunting mo namang uminom.
May mga
Ano
steps.
siya sa gitna?
Step what?
So good.
Girl, parang tinamaan, ano.
Ano?
Konti pa ba yun?
Oo. Halos hindi ka nabawasan eh.
Wow.
Ikaw lang parating uhaw eh.
Wow.
Di ba sabi nila bawal daw mag-mix ng drinks? I think we're way past that.
Kasi di naman
Lang naman.
bawa.
Parang okay naman ako.
My favorite is this one, the strawberry and the...
This one is good.
Kasi ice cream.
Yeah.
Still here.
Sarap, no?
I love
Ice
it.
cream, no?
So I like the chunky money na.
Strawberry, the Americana, and
No.
This is my favorite. This one,
Yeah. And this one.
this one,
Me also.
peach, triple peach.
and this one.
The mango.
Ito
Ay,
din.
actually, yung aftertaste niya, parang
It's good.
Vinegar
Yeah.
Yung parang bees. Ay, sorry.
Yung mga cocktails naman na to, parang ano lang siya, yung pwede mong pang afternoon. Pag isa lang ha.
Cocktails nga, di ba? Parang
Oo.
before you have dinner.
Oo.
Parang nagsisi ako, nag-layer ako today.
Parang basa-basa ka na. Parang naiinit ka na.
Parang ay,
Pawis na ba yung
bakit ba ako nag-layer? Ang arte ko kasi today.
Kaya ako nag-is, nagbubunga naman.
Nararamdaman ko yung
Guys,
pawis.
hindi naman layer ingredients together.
May kinalaman ba to sa weather? Or may kinalaman to dito sa mga
Alcohol yan. Kasi kanina okay ka naman.
So let's do words of affirmation.
Yes.
It's time for that. Jace, do you want to start?
I wanna start.
Oh my
Yeah, I wanna
Yes.
Okay.
To start.
Fine, start.
Kaya ka ba?
Janice, can you start? Yes, I want to start.
Can you even start?
Before they do their after.
Ito na, it's the alcohol kiki.
Babaya na ako.
Before they make their affirmation, so for all that people, nag-iingayan ka sa nanay nyo ngayon, tandaan din nyo, it's all for you.
Yeah.
All comes from
Love.
love.
Wala.
Oo. Minsan din mga parents, bawas-bawasan din natin.
Pwede rin naman tayo paminsan-minsan makinig sa mga anak natin.
Oo, diba?
Hindi tayo matututunan.
Oo, at
Kaya nga communication.
Oo.
Communication kasi, you also have to listen. Hindi lang ikaw yung nagsasalita. So, hindi ibig sabihin na ikaw yung magulang, ikaw yung palaging tama at ikaw lang yung kailangan pakinggan. Kaya nga, you have good communication with your children. Kasi you have to hear them out also. Aminin natin, marami tayong natutunan sa mga anak natin.
Ay, oo naman.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
now you're ready.
Ito na.
Maybe they should go first. Hindi, words of affirmation to all three of you.
Hindi, one by one.
One by one.
Yeah.
Seryoso. Okay, mag-start tayo kay Kyla.
Sa pagkaila.
Kyla, I'm so proud of you.
Ay, ayun.
Nandun pa lang ako. Pwede bang yun na lang? I'm so proud of you, of what you have become. You did this all on your own. Diba? Ako ay puro bilin lang. Pero like I said, pag nandun ka na sa harap ng camera, pag andun ka na, you're on. And I'm so proud kasi ginawa niya
Yes.
on her own. Ang lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, you already have an unfair advantage because of your parents. Prove to them that it's not just an advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dapat makita nila na pinagtatrabahuhan mo. And that's exactly what she did.
Thanks, Mom.
Moira, I'm so excited for you.
No.
I'm happy for her. Alam mo kasi si Moy sa lahat sa kanila, ang pinakasuplada sa aking mga anak. Kasi ano yan, sinasarili niya ang mga bagay parang, kaya ko to. Ganyan siya.
Yeah.
Ganyan siya. And you know, when she started getting ready for her wedding, or for marriage itself, after palang mag-propose si Migs, si Moira, unti-unti mo nakita na nagbabago. She's become more open,
Yeah.
more,
That's so true.
more loving. Diba? Ito si Ina, kung si Luigi ay frenemy number 1 ko, ito ang frenemy number 3. Frenemy. Kasi si Ina, bilang panganay din siya na babae. So, madalas kami mag-away. And I think before she moved out, yun yung pinaka-trying times. And
Kaya ba ba?
minsan nandun ka na sa, nako, ngayon mo marirealize lahat ng sinasabi ko. And it's true, kasi after siya nag-move out, parang bumait siya. Parang mas nagkaintindihan kami. Mas ngayon ko nakikita na parang, hi mom, I miss you. Mas madali pang pagsabihan ngayon kesa nung nasa bahay siya. Kasi I think when your children are with you, siguro totoo yun, ano? Sanay kasi tayo, dahil lumang mga tao tayo, okay? We were born in a different generation. Na tayo ay humihiwalay lang sa mga parents natin pag ikakasal tayo.
Correct.
Diba? But then I realized, siguro dahil ibang generation na sila, there comes a point na at a certain age, you have to let them go.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi, araw-araw kayo mag-aaway. Why?
Yeah.
Because magkaiba na nga kayo ng generation. Magkaiba na kayo ng mga opinion sa bahay. Even the littlest things. So sometimes we disagree about the most trivial things. Because the truth is, when they wanted to move out, a part of me wanted to say no. Because I will miss them. And as a parent, you want to know that they're okay and that they're safe. Then the other part of me said, I think it's time.
Yes.
Total, they always want to be given the independence.
Yeah.
So, since yun ang gusto nyo, I will allow you to be independent.
So you gave them wings so that they can fly.
Yeah, pero minsan kasi magulang tayo, di ba? Binibigyan natin sila ng wings, pero gusto natin tayo yung nakahawak sa wings.
Una nagka-fly.
Exactly.
Because you're
Because
scared.
we're parents, you're scared, and you're going to miss them more than anything.
Kasi baka nag-fly sila tumama sa kuryente.
Kasi
Hindi sa Pilipinas.
hindi nyo alam. Saka the thing is, nobody knows how much I appreciate their noise.
Oh. Iba naman, kasi music to our ears yun.
Exactly.
Oo.
Exactly.
Alam niyo kung bakit tayo naiiyak din? Kasi hindi lang
Ang
tayo
dami
mga
na inunok
nanay.
natin.
Hindi din, anak din tayo eh.
Tama. So, anak din tayo.
Naging anak na tayo, so kung ano yung nafe-feel nyo, na-feel at
Na pinagdaanan.
at nafe-feel namin, kasi parang looking back, oh my
That's
gosh,
how I felt. Ganon.
ganyan kami kay mami namin dati. That's
Yeah.
why, siguro times 2 yung iyak natin, kasi
Yes,
na daughter and mother
Yeah.
kami at the
At
same time.
naiintindihan din natin kung anong pinagdadaanan ni Janice.
And at the same time,
Because we are
nakakataanan nila.
And I remember,
That's a double-double.
I've said this in almost all my interviews. Noon, pagka, kung natatawanan niyo po.
Si Tita Candy.
Lagi kong sinusulatan si Mami. Pag kontra siya sa mga desisyon ko, lagi ko siyang sinusulatan and I always tell her, please trust that I know what I'm doing. And if I should fail, I can get back up again. So since naiisip ko na lagi kong sinasabi yon, I have to be. Lagi ko sinusulat yun. Sa napakarami kong maling desisyon sa buhay.
To still trust you.
Perfect story na lagi ko. Ikaw na lang. So, I needed to remember that I said those things so that I can be able to trust them. That they can do this.
Hindi tayo handa na dyan sa dadaling episode.
Okay, so your mom gave you words of affirmation. I think it's your turn to give words of affirmation to the woman who brought you guys up.
I'm just gonna keep it short because I don't wanna cry.
Iyak ka na.
Ina, tigilan mo nga ako. Kulang-kulang.
I don't like to cry na. Hindi, I said this already to my sisters also and to my mom. And inaamin ko naman na, yun nga, the first month, actually a few weeks after I moved out, na-miss ko na talaga si mama kasi before I moved out, talagang hindi kami magkasundo talaga.
Okay.
I think it's also because kami yung magkaugali.
Kaya nagka-clash
Talaga.
kayo.
Kaya nagka-clash kami.
Parehong-pareho pag
Oo.
sa pag-ibig. Anak ko siya.
Out of all our siblings, kami talaga yung magkaugali. Yun, actually, I tell mom naman all the time that I love her, na I hope she's okay, I hope she's healthy. Si mama, pag may sakit siya, lagi ko siyang kinakamusta. Mom, are you okay? Did you drink medicine na? Blah, blah, blah. Yun, I love you, mom.
I love you, sweetheart.
And always be happy if you need someone to talk to. Kasi syempre, it's different when you have a son. Na, si Yuan kasi iba din siya. He's a guy.
Iba yung
Iba yung, iba
yung
yung
way of
relationship ni
showing
mama.
affection.
Iba yung dynamics.
Na lalaki at
Yes.
Anak na babae. Lalo na't I'm the oldest also. Aside from kuya. Ako yung eldest. Oldest
Yeah.
girl. So, yun. You can always call me. And thank you so much. Kasi talagang tumatak talaga everything that you were nagging me on about.
Dramatic moment.
Had a dramatic moment.
Panalo!
And honestly, Tita Jelly, sometimes talaga, when I say something, like for example, sa bahay namin, kami ni Jake, minsan may mga nasasabi ako sa kanya na pag nanag, narinig ko si mama, I'm like, oh my God.
Kahit sa amin.
Ito sound like my mom. I sound like my mom. Even sa kanila.
Yeah.
Sometimes she talks to us and we're like,
At po nagkaroon kayo ng mga anak.
yeah.
Iba pa yun.
Iba kasi yung mga tayo
Doon ko na-realize na, oh my God, totoo pala yun.
Yes.
Na, when you grow older, you sound like your mom.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I love you. I love you. Thanks for your patience and understanding.
Kailangan ko pa nito.
I know I'm quiet, pero parang feeling ko, I don't talk a lot, but whenever you need me, I'm here. And then, thank you for everything, and I miss your mood. Yeah.
Good point.
Yeah. Yun lang.
Paano napatunayan ko sa episode ito? Si Moira talaga pinakamatibay sa atin. Tayo kagang magala. Kaya natin si Moira parang wala lang.
Kaya lang, sabi, paano na lang tayo sa kasal niya, girl?
We're super proud of you. Napiprostate us.
Bakit tayo nakahawan?
Kasi
Ito ko nakahawan, di ba ko anak?
now that we're older, mas malalim na yung appreciation namin for you and everything that you've done for us. We're so proud of you because honestly, sometimes I look back and think about everything you've been through. And naiisip ko sa totoo lang, pag nangyari sa akin, parang hindi ko kaya. So, thank you for being such a strong foundation for all of us. Kasi we needed that. And we are who we are today because you were that for us. Now that we're all, well, you wanna still at home, but one day, he will also be out on his own.
Not in the near future pa naman.
Hindi ko naman, but like, I'm saying,
Inis ako sa kasunod mo.
know that we're all okay. You have equipped us with all the tools. Hindi mo na kami kailangan isipin. Sarili mo na yung isipin mo ngayon. Okay.
And thank you also kasi you allowed us to grow.
Yeah.
And you allowed us that freedom. Kasi nga, natuto naman din kami.
Yeah. We may have flown from the nest, but we will always fly back.
Yeah.
Thank you, girls! Thank you! We have yet to bring the boys.
The boy.
Yes.
That would be so funny!
Tingin nyo may magsasalita sa kanila. Hindi ganito. Kasi diba usually yung girls, o yung girls na
Emotional.
magkwento.
Yeah.
Pero
But
yung
it's different when the boys communicate.
Iba rin.
Every little that they say,
Amen.
tagos.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi nga parang few words sila, diba? Pero talagang straight
Not
to the
really. Si Luigi, he has many words. He
Yeah.
has many words. Yeah, it's true.
But anyway, thank you, girls. Thank you, guys.
I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And thanks and of course, concept specialist, thank you very much. Thank you for having us.
We had a good time. Thank you, Ange. Thank you, Sir Joni.
Thank you, everybody.
Nerve.
Thank you.
Nona. And Aubrey, thank you so much for having us.
Maalala lang na yung mga drinks na ininom natin, ang syrup na ginamit natin is
Ay, puro
hot
shot.
syrup. Different flavors. How many flavors do you have?
More than 40 na. 40. 40.
You can purchase them sa any online shopping, right? Any online shopping, or you can just check out Concept Specialist page sa IG. Okay, thank you everyone.
Oh my God.
you learned something from this episode. Ha?
Din sila.
Oo, lahat tayo, we have different kinds of relationships with our children, with our parents.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, it's the love that will remain.
That's
So, let's spread love, everybody! Till next time, dito na po sa...
Wala
Wala pa rin tayo!
Bye, everybody!